Find the exact value of each of the remaining trig functions of theta. Sin theta is equal to negative 5/13 and theta is in quadrant 4. So let's draw this angle theta on fourth quadrant. Okay, so origin vertex for the angle and fourth quadrant somewhere here, and we know sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, so in our case it will be then just doesn't matter where you draw. Okay, just draw the angle theta in fourth quadrant. Okay, that's the theta angle, and draw, this is the terminal side, or we can draw a right triangle here. Okay, and this will be the reference angle, small reference angle, and sine is opposite. So when we have ABC or ABR, opposite is B, so this is B and this is R or C. So this is adjacent, opposite, this is C or R, and R is given 13. This R will be always positive, so this negative in the front we should regard that for the top, because B is going down, the distance is positive, but because we are measuring downwards, so B is -5. Now A is missing, so we need to find the A. Okay, so here ABC, ABR, B is -5, R or C always positive 13. Now A is what? Let's find the A using the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus B squared equals C squared, which is R squared. A is squared to be determined. B, -5 quantity is square, 25, so negative square will be positive, is equal to R square, 13 square. Use your calculator, 169. Subtract 25 from both sides, you get A square, this A square equals 169 minus 25, 144. Now take the square root both sides, so A equals square root of 144 is 12, and we have to give plus or minus depending on the direction. So A, this is along positive x-axis, so we just give positive sign. Lengthwise, length is always positive, but sometimes our A could be along negative side of x-axis. In that case we put negative just for the orientation. Now we want to find the all 6 trig functions. Though sine is there, I want to write all of them. So sine, cosine, tangent, and they are reciprocals. So cosecant, secant, cotangent. Now sine is B over R, which is -5 over 13, that was given. So -5 over 13, I'm writing negative in the front. Cosine is A over R, A is found to be 12 over R is 13. Tangent is B over A, B is -5 over 12. So negative in the front, 5 over 12. Now cosecant is the reciprocal, so -13 over 5. Secant is 13 over 12. Cotangent is the reciprocal, -12 over 5. Okay, final.